Hello, in this demo I want to show you migration of the workspaces from single tenant chess server to multi-tenant one using Codebases UI. So as you can see, if I go to Codebases, I have my workspace migration demo workspace here. So if I open it, it's up and running, and you can see on the another screen that I have chess server in my chair namespace and the workspace pod. So everything is good, everything is running, and now we want to do a migration to the multi-tenant chess server. So it's actually very painful process. So let me go back to my all my spaces, and now let me add my user ID to the list of multi-tenant users. So I just press update button, and now in 10 seconds the unleash service will treat my user as a multi-tenant ready. So I will navigate to my OpenShift Online, and we would see what actually happens under the hood. So if I now go to the Codebases tab, you will see what happens. So you see the information that your workspaces are loading, and you see now that the migrating workspaces to the multi-tenant chess server has started. So user is notified that he is about to migrate his workspaces to the multi-tenant chess server. So you see that there is a migration pod kicks in, which does the migration. So it actually moves all the existing workspaces from single tenant chess server to multi-tenant one and do a cleanup. So you see that the chair server port, single tenant chair server port, is scaled down, so it will be removed soon, and the migration port would be also completed. So you see that we do not have anything here right now. So we successfully migrated the workspaces. We have scaled down the chess server, and in the application ports we can see that migration port is completed. So migration happened successfully. So now you can see that from the user perspective, he still sees his workspace, but if I now open it, you will see that it would be created and against multi-tenant chess server. So it will be started, not created, because we have already created it and migrate. So you see the chair OpenShift.io domain is in the workspace URL now. And it's actually the chess server that is deployed on the DSAS, on OpenShift dedicated DSAS production. So this one, if I navigate here, we can see that the this workspace is started. So basically it's the same workspace. And if we go to the my chair namespace, we would see that the port is now pulling the image for the new workspace, for this workspace that was just migrated. So we can see that it's pulling the image, and now we would see how the workspace is started. So we need to wait a little bit, and hopefully the workspace would be up and running, and the whole migration would be a really painless step. there is a delay with the workspace agent because of the roots problem. So the whole workspace startup is currently uh, pretty slow, but finally it should be, yeah. So workspace is up and running, and the migration has been done successfully. So we can run the build command, for example, to make sure that everything is fine here. So everything works perfectly fine, and the user will not even notice that this migration had happened. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.